Today I'll be building this. Set number 40521, Disney's Haunted Mansion. This set is based on the creator expert version of the haunted house that they made a couple of years ago. Let's open this and take a look what's inside. So, as you could see, comes with one set of stickers, one instruction booklet, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Comes with 8 or 9 bags, and it's separated into 4 different building stages. So for this set, I guess you have to open up the bags, these bags at the same time to actually build it. And also set comes with 680 pieces. So I will do the build and see you in a bit. this is the finished build of the haunted mansion. There's the front. There's the minifigure right there. There's the side. There's the back part where it's open, and these microfigures represent the people that are supposed to be inside. And here's the side of it. And here's the minifigure. It looks like a it used a regular regular flesh tone skin on this guy. Okay. So I really enjoy this, but of course there's some repetitiveness throughout the build, because at least it uses a lot of 1x1 dark green plates and 1x1 clear plates, which you'll see throughout the build. And you also got these window panels, which you have 16 pieces of for each floor. There's first and second floor, like the actual haunted machine in Disneyland. And also, after you finish with the build, you're left with this many pieces, at least maybe 20 to 30 pieces left over. And you could just put in your inventory and use it for mobs. And one thing also on the instruction booklet, it mentions about the haunted house that was built in Disneyland. According to this, it was built back in 1969, which is, I guess, a good story to tell about this the set. Of course, if you're a true Lego fan, you know some of those sets comes with a description of or story that belongs with the set, so which is, I think, is good. So that will that will get people interested more in the set. So and so one more thing on the minifigure. There's a cloth piece right here. That's I guess this guy is a butler. So there's a cloth piece right there that you have to install that comes in the first bag. So make sure you do that. I didn't do it while I was building this, and I don't know why there was a boxer, but now I find out. So this is a cloth piece, and you should put it on the minifigure. Okay. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and leave a comment down below what you'd like to see next. And I'll also leave a link in the description below to this set. And have a nice day.